Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got these three-digit integers a, b, c added up 3 times, and our answer is supposed to be a three-digit number as well, such that these numbers are supposed to be c, c, and c. And moreover, bear in mind that this column contains the number of ones. And these numbers place value is tens, and finally the place value of these numbers are going to be hundreds. And furthermore, the values of a, b, and c are supposed to be either 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9. And now our task is to find the value of a, b, and c. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. Let's go ahead and get started. And here's our very first step. We are going to focus on these numbers whose place value is ones, and all these digits are c, c, and c. And if we add them, we are supposed to have a c as well. In other words, all these numbers must be identical, and we know our number c could be either 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9. And here I have wrote down these numbers c, and we are going to see which one is going to be feasible for us. Let's look at c value is 1, 1, 1. If we add them, that is going to give us, that is going to give us 3. So 3 is not equal to 1. So that means this is not a good option. So therefore we are going to rule ones out. And now let's trying up these 2's. If we add them, that is supposed to give us 6. Once again, 6 is not same as 2. So we are going to rule out this possibility as well. Let's try 3, 3, and 3. If we add that one, that is going to give us 9. Once again, 9 is not same as 3. So we are going to rule out this option as well. Let's try 4 plus 4 plus 4. That is going to give us 12. And now we can see our ones is place is 2. So 2 is not same as 4. So that is not a good option as well. And now let's try 5 plus 5 plus 5 is going to give us 15. And now we can see this number 5 is same as these numbers. So therefore number 5 is going to work for us. And now let's try 6, 6, and 6. If we add them, that is going to give us 18. And 8 is not same as 6. So we are not going to have a good option this one. We're going to rule it out. And likewise, if we add 7, 7, and 7, that adds up to 21. And 1 is not same as 7. So now let's try 8 plus 8 plus 8 is going to give us 24, and we can see 4 is not same as 8. And finally 9 plus 9 plus 9 is going to give us 27, and 7 is not same as 9. So we are going to rule out this option as well. So thus we conclude that our this c value turns out to be 5, 5, 5, and 5 over here as well. And we are going to carry over 1 over here. And since these numbers c, c, and c are identical, so therefore this number has got to be 5, and this number is going to be 5 as well. So thus our c value turns out to be equal to 5 after exhausting all the options for all of these numbers. And now we are going to focus on this second column, and we are going to add b plus b plus b, and then plus 1 as well, and we're supposed to get 5 over here. And once again we are going to try all these values for b. And since 1 is a carryover, so we are going to add 1 across the board over here as well, as you can see. And now if we add all these numbers, that is going to give us 4, and we know our number is supposed to be 5. So therefore this option is not going to work. We are going to rule this one out. And now we are going to add 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, and that is going to give us 7, and 7 is not same as 5. And now we are going to add 1 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, that is going to give us 10. That means our this digit at once is 0, and 0 is not same as 5. We are going to rule out this option as well. And if we add these numbers, that is going to give us 13. And now this number 3 is not same as 5. And now let's try 1 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 is going to give us 16. And we know this number is 6, and which is not same as 5. Let's try 1 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. That is going to give us 19. And here we got number 9. 9 is not same as 5. Let's try 1 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7. That is going to give us 22. And now we can see this number 2 is not same as 5. And now let's add 1 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8. And that is going to give us 25. And now we can see our number is 5, which is same as this number 5. So therefore we can see B equals to 8 value is going to work for us. And finally let's try this number 1 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9. If we add them, that is going to give us 28. And we can see this number 8 is not same as 5. So therefore we are going to rule out this possibility as well. So thus we conclude that B equals to 8 is only our option. And furthermore we are going to carry over to over here. So thus we figured out B equals to 8 value and C equals to 5. And now we are going to figure out the value of A as well. And here I have copied down these numbers. We have different options with 2 as our carry over. Let's try 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. And if we add them, that is going to give us 5. And this 5 is indeed equal to 5. So therefore we conclude that A equals to 1 is going to work for us. And now let's try out these other numbers to see if we have any other possibility. Let's add these numbers. That is going to give us equal to 8, and 8 is not same as 5. Now let's try adding these numbers. If we add these numbers, that is going to give us 11, and we can see this one is not equal to 5. And let's add these numbers. If we add these numbers, that is going to be equal to 14, and now we can see this 4 is not same as 5. Let's try these numbers. If we add them, that is going to give us 17, and now 7 is not same as 5. And if we add these numbers, that is going to give us 20, and now we can see 0 is not same as 5. Let's try adding up these numbers. If we add them, that is going to give us 23, and now we can see 3 is not same as 5. Let's add these numbers. That is going to give us 26, and now we can see 6 is not same as 5. And finally let's add these numbers. If we add them, that is going to give us 29, and now we can see this number 9 is not same as 5. So therefore we conclude that A equals to 1 is our only option. So thus our A value turns out to be 1, B is 8, and C equals to 5. And that's our final answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.